Children, you can do one activity at home so as to record the number of beats per minute. For this, we will require a long rubber tube 2 feet long with small aperture, a funnel and a stopwatch. We have to fix a funnel at the end of rubber tube. Then the wide mouth of funnel is kept on left side of thorax and the other end of the tube is brought near the ear to hear the sound of the heart, and this way you can record the number of beats per minute using stopwatch. Our heart beats 72 times per minute. Let us know about blood circulation. Process of pumping of blood towards various parts of the body and bringing it back towards the heart is called as blood circulation. So as to maintain the continuity in circulation, heart alternately contracts and relaxes. Consecutive single contraction and relaxation of heart constitutes a single heartbeat. Blood is a red colored fluid material. It is fluid connective tissue. The oxygenated blood is deep red colored, salty in taste and its pH is 7.4. Blood is composed of mainly two components, plasma and blood cells. Plasma is pale yellow in color. It is clear and slightly alkaline fluid. It contains 90 to 92% water, 6 to 8% proteins and 1 to 2% of inorganic salts and other components. It has albumin which helps to distribute water all over the body. Then globulins are there. They help in protection. Fibrinogen and prothrombin, they help in blood clotting process. Inorganic ions like calcium, sodium, potassium control the function of muscles and nerves. Blood cells are of three types: red blood corpuscles, that is RBC, white blood cells, that is WBCs, and platelets. Red blood corpuscles, they are small, circular and nucleated cells. These cells appear red due to hemoglobin. Oxygen dissolves in blood due to hemoglobin. 50 to 60 lakhs RBCs are present in each cubic millimeter of blood. RBCs are produced in red bone marrow and live for about 100 to 127 days. White blood cells are large, nucleated and colorless cells. 5000 to 10,000 WBCs are present per millimeter cube of blood. 5 types of WBCs are present: basophils, eosinophils, neutrophils, monocytes and lymphocytes. WBCs are produced in red bone marrow. WBCs act as a soldiers in our body. What is the function of WBC? These cells attack the pathogens entering in our body. They protect us from microbial diseases. Platelets, these are extremely small and disc shaped. 2.5 to 4 lakh platelets are present per millimeter cube of the blood. What is the function of platelets? Platelets participate in blood clotting process. So this chart will help you to know about plasma and constituents of plasma. Then 3 different types of blood cells are there. You all will draw this chart in your science copy. This flow chart will help you to keep the points in mind. Blood is divided into two main components, that is plasma and blood cells. Plasma consists of proteins, inorganic salts and fluid, water. Proteins are of four types: globulin, fibrinogen, prothrombin and albumin. Globulin helps in protection. Fibrinogen helps in clotting of blood. Prothrombin also helps in clotting of blood, and the function of albumin is to distribute water throughout our body. Blood cells are of three types: red blood corpuscles, white blood corpuscles and blood platelets. Red blood corpuscles are small, they are circular in shape and they are enucleated. Their number is 50 to 60 lakhs per cubic millimeter. They are produced in red bone marrow and the lifespan of RBC is 100 to 127 days. Hemoglobin is a protein which helps in absorption of oxygen and it also imparts red color to the blood. White blood cells are large, nucleated and they are colorless cells. They are nucleated, means nucleus is present in WBCs. Their number is 5000 to 10,000 per cubic millimeter. They are produced in red bone marrow. There are 5 subtypes of WBCs: neutrophil, basophil, eosinophil, monocyte and lymphocyte. Functions of WBCs: they protect the body, they provide immunity, they destroy pathogenic microbes and they act as a soldiers of our body, means they act as soldiers in our body and they provide immunity also. Blood platelets are extremely small and they look like disc. Their shape is disc-like. Their number is 2.5 to 4 lakh per cubic millimeter. Platelet participate in blood clotting process. Let us know about functions of blood. Number 1, transport of gases. Oxygen is carried via blood from lungs to cell in various parts of body and carbon dioxide from tissues to lungs. Transport of nutrients. Simple nutrients like glucose, amino acid, fatty acids are taken up by blood from walls of alimentary canal and transported up to each cell in the body. So nutrients are transported through blood. Gases are transported through blood. Oxygen is carried via blood from lungs to cell in various parts of body and carbon dioxide is a waste material which is brought from tissues to lungs for purification. Transport of waste materials. Nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea, creatinine are released by tissues into blood which carries those to kidney for excretion. Kidney filters out the waste products like ammonia, urea, creatinine and it is an important organ of excretory system. Protection. Antibodies are produced in the blood and they protect the body from microbes and other harmful particles. Whenever pathogen enters in our body, antibodies are produced in the blood and they kill the harmful microorganisms which have entered into our body. Transport of enzymes and hormones. Blood transports the enzymes and hormones from the site of their production to the site of their action. Thermoregulation. Body temperature is maintained constant at 37 degrees centigrade by vasodilation and vasoconstriction. Children, you will come to know in detail about these two processes as you go in higher classes. Maintaining the balance of minerals like sodium, potassium in the body. If bleeding occurs at the injury, platelets and protein called fibrinogen of the blood form a clot and seal the injury. So bleeding, whenever bleeding occurs, that time platelets and proteins, they work together, and this fibrinogen protein helps to form a clot, and thus the injury can be sealed away. You have to write all the functions of blood from textbook. It is given on page number 80 of science textbook. This flow chart will help you to keep the points in mind. Functions of blood are shown in a flow chart. Gases are transported. Oxygen is carried via blood from lungs to cell in various parts of body, and carbon dioxide from tissues to lungs. Enzymes and hormones, they are these enzymes and hormones are also secreted at one place, and they are transported to the target site. Glucose, amino acid, fatty acids are taken up by the blood from the wall of alimentary canal, and they are transported up to each cell in the body. Prothrombin and fibrinogen reactions help in clotting of blood. Maintaining the balance of minerals like sodium and potassium in our body. Our body temperature is maintained constant at 37 degrees centigrade by these two processes, vasodilation and vasoconstriction. Antibodies are produced in the blood, and they protect the body from microbes and other harmful particles. Nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea, creatinine are released by tissue into blood, which carries those to the kidney for excretion. So these waste materials like ammonia, urea and creatinine are transported from tissues to kidney, and finally they are thrown away because they are very harmful for our body. If they get accumulated in our body, then we will suffer from various harmful diseases. Thank you.